Hi everybody, welcome to Creative Pouring by Cheryl. I'm Cheryl. I've got these two bracelets that I want to do. I want to do in an autumn theme. So I went ahead and mixed up some brown that I'm just going to put on the backing. Let me go ahead and put these on something so that they're up a little bit so I can work with them better. There we go. Be a little more flat. Get the bracelets out of the way. All right, there we go. Got those bracelets up out of the way. I'm just going to put a little bit in there for the first layer because it's going to go in a couple layers. This is the only layer I'm going to do epoxy with. This is the Teexpert epoxy resin. I'm just going to spread them out to the edges. I know it doesn't take that much, but there we go. I just like this brown color. There was a little bit I had left over from something else. So I figured, why not use it for this? I'll figure out what to do with the rest of it later. All right. Since it's not deep at all, and I've had that resin for a minute or two, I can go ahead and put these in it. Got one of these. I put a little bit of clear that I had not mixed up. And I'm going to put these in here on this, just like a pile of leaves. And then I'll come back and I'll top coat it. We'll have us a beautiful fall bracelet. Let's see. Put that one in that one because I want a darker one over here. Got too much silver. I got these little leaves off of Temu. Okay, let's go ahead and get this one done. If I can find a sticker to put on top of this, that would be cool. Ooh, put some more red in that other one. There we go. Silver and red in this one. There we go. All right, we will be back when this is cured for the next step, and we will see you then. I was looking through my stickers, and I found a couple that I think would be amazing. Let's see. I've got some sunflower stickers here. They're PET tape, actually, from, I forget where I got them from. It was either, I think it was Temu. That's pretty much where I get everything from. And they're already pre-cut. And I've already cut most of it, the spot where I wanted it. So I'm going to lay this on top of there. I'm gonna get my little knife. Just kind of cut it best I can on the inside of the silver. If you do that, please be careful. Don't cut yourself. I've done that many times. Let's see if it'll come off now. Yep. Ooh. Look at that. There's a little spot right there. I gotta get off. You can also use scissors if you don't have a knife like that. You just gotta be careful. Look at that. Those knives and those leaves and those flowers, amazing. Now here's another one I got. And like I said, I just cut some stickers, pieces off of my stickers, PET tape. Which way do I want this? I want some of those leaves showing because I like those leaves. Push them down really good because they'll stick, but you just want it stuck down really good. Helps to cut the tape, not cut off the tape. Well, I thought I cut it. I guess my knife is not very sharp. I have to change out the blades soon because these go dull. Not fast, just they go dull. There we go. I'll let you look at that one before I put the UV on it. It's pretty. I'm putting them back on these little cups because it makes these not get interfere with it. All I'm doing is putting UV on it, filling them up. That UV brung out that design. You make sure I have it all the way to the edge. I'm going to use a mica brush without the cotton. Come on, get on there. There you go. Make sure there's no bubbles. I don't see any. Okay, let's go ahead and cure them and I'll be right back. Let's go ahead and get these out of here. Oh, that turned out lovely. move this out of the way before we get a really good look at that. Look at those. Oh, that just makes it pop. Look at that. See the leaves behind it? Come on, let's get a really good close-up. Leaves shining behind it. Okay, and this one. Well, I've opened an eBay store, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in my eBay store. I'll have a link below. And thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you. And thank you for liking this video and subscribing. I appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, bye for now.